All right. Give me 1 minute. Let's do me a favor. Just type in your name and your location where you are connected. Let's be sure that everybody is here. I can hear back myself. All right, Dowu from Libya, good to see you. Emmanuel from Dallas, good to see you. Shegun Mavis, my guys, how are you guys doing? Daniel, I see Mavis, Ozabo, Olusegun, Omotayo, Teresa Akoma. How are you doing, ma'am? Good morning. All right, so just let's get the party rolling. Bright, Dr. Bright, how are you doing? All right. Okay, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are connected. My name is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle. They call me the Forex Apostle because I'm a minister of the gospel. I trade the Forex market for a living and I disciple others to success. So I'm so excited. It's been 4 days. We'll be having this party. We started on Monday talking about the .com blueprint, different ways by which you can make money online, and we narrow it down to Forex because that is what I do. Then, of course, Tuesday, we talk about the Forex Manifesto, different ways by which you can make money in Forex. We talk about 10 different ways by which you can make money with Forex. Even if you don't want to trade, you can invest and somebody trade for you. When somebody is trading for you, you share the profit. So if you miss that video, it should be on my channel. Make sure you watch it. Then, of course, the third day, we discussed crypto's resurrection. We look into cryptocurrencies and how to make money with cryptos. I hope all of you, you created a wallet, you have your first Bitcoin. It doesn't have to be too much. You can just buy $20, $50 a Bitcoin and let it be. At least you too will say, I have a Bitcoin, right? So today we will be looking into the beginner's guide to making minimum of $1,000 daily trading at the Forex market. So yours might be 1,000 daily, yours might be $2 daily, yours might be $100 daily, yours might be 10,000 daily. It depends on your goals. It depends on who you are. So let me pull out my slide and let's get the party started. Once again, I really appreciate you guys. I don't take it for granted. If I prepare the training and nobody shows up, of course, I will not be training myself. So that is why it is very imperative. You can prepare a training. If nobody shows up, of course, you will not be teaching yourself, right? So I am so grateful that you show up, and I don't take it for granted. Okay, so let me share my screen, and from beginning, let's start there. So today is day number 4. Day number 4, I will be looking to daily 4 figures blueprint. What are the things you need to get started? I title it Beginner's Guide to Make a Minimum of $1,000 daily trading the Forex market. And as I said, your $1,000 maybe is too much for you. Some of you, it could be $200 a day. If you are making $200 a day trading Forex, that is about $1,000 a week. That's about $1,000 a week. And that's about $4,000 a month. That's about $4,000 a month. I mean, some of you, I believe if you are making this amount in a month, this will literally change the quality of your lifestyle. And some of you, it could be just $100 a day. $100 a day, that will mean about $500 a week, which is not bad. $500 a week, and of course, this will be around $2,000 a month. Not bad at all also. if you are making $2,000 a month and you live, let's say you live in Nigeria, that's about almost over close to 800,000 naira right there. I believe many people don't make that amount in a month right there. So I want you to look at Forex, okay, as one of those professions that you could be proud of, and not just one of those side hustles. And that is why I'm doing what I'm doing, so that I give you this kind of skills that you need to get this started, okay? And some of you, maybe you don't really have time to trade, okay? And I'm talking to some of you, possibly you are a doctor, you are a business person, and even though you have registered to be trained, but you know right inside of you that you don't have time to trade, you know, just of recent, we added a portion to what we do, and which we call portfolio management. But of course, there's a minimum requirement. You have to have minimum of $100,000 to be part of that. So if you are in that category also, we can just talk and let's see how we can work together. Okay, so if you want to retitle this training, you could also call it 4 P's to making 4 figures daily with Forex trading. And of course, you are aware and you know, just as a matter of a disclaimer, that trading, investing, and entrepreneurship involves a high degree of risk. This content is for educational purposes only, not investment advice. Investing involves a high degree of risk. I'm not an investment advisor. And of course, no guarantee of profit. Do not trade or invest with the money you can't afford to lose. And that is common sense 101. This is very necessary, even though what I will be sharing are everything that is working for me. And I know very well that if you follow and copy what I'm doing, it will also work for you. So my promise for you today, because I like to over-deliver on my promises. I like to over-deliver. My goal for you today is to attempt to help you understand the basic guide that you will need to trade Forex with, trade Forex with, in order to create a financial freedom for yourself. And when I make that word, or I write that word, yes, I mean it. You can create a financial future for yourself, financial freedom life for yourself, for your family. Have time for you, have time for your family members, have time for your God, you know. So, and I promise to deliver this to you in form of 4 P's that you need to get started and profit with the Forex market starting today. So, and I'm talking about getting skills that will help you to be able to make this kind of 4 figures daily. This is $5,122 a day. And of course, this is $5,791 a day. This is $1,482 a day. This is $3,921 a day, $6,658 a day, $8,320 a day, $11,163 a day, $6,138 a day. This is the month of November. That is over $100,000 a month from 2 accounts. And this is just last month when I took this screenshot. This is over $69,000 from 3 small accounts. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not teaching you theory. I'm teaching you what is working for me. To some of you, it might be like a repetition. To some of you, you are getting something new. But I'm telling you sincerely, when it comes to Forex, it's just a repetition. But you hear it over and over and over and over, and you do it. You do it because there is difference between you just hearing it and not doing it. You can be the hearer of the word and not the doer of the word. So I'm not showing you all these results to impress you, but to impress upon you that you are about to discover a skill that will thrive you and triumph you in this new economy. And what is the new economy? We're talking about the internet economy. We're talking about blockchain economy. We are talking about this jet age economy. And we are talking about this confused economy. Many people are confused. They don't know what to do. Many people are losing their jobs. Government is confused. People Social Security is broke. They don't even know what they are doing. But you can create your own financial future for yourself, So, I mean, I can go on and start showing you results. But as you know, it's not just about my results. It's about the kind of results that you can create for yourself. I call Forex market buffet. It's all you can eat, as much as you can dream. Yes, you can start small, think big, and then, of course, act now. So remember, my past results do not determine your result. I don't know you. I don't know how hungry you are, how determined you are. I don't know if you can take action. I don't know if you can follow simple instructions, simple guide and instruction. But if you can do all of these, everything, and I mean everything, is possible with Forex trading. Yes, it is possible. I am not an overnight success. I know some people will say, oh, Forex Apostle makes $100,000 a month, or he makes $10,000 a day. Yes, but I started from making nothing a day also. So I'm not an overnight success. I didn't start getting this kind of results overnight. I didn't become a Forex Apostle overnight. I started as a Forex disciple also, just like some of you are, and some of you are planning to be. My results are not typical, but you can start from where you are and with what you have, okay? You can start from where you are and with what you have right now. I mean, today, if you desire. I like this quote by Tony Robbins. He says, if you want to achieve success, all you need to do is find a way to model those who have already succeeded. Success in life is copycat. Okay, so is today's training for you? Is this really for you? Is this really for you? Because I don't want to waste your time. And of course, I want to be sure that I'm also talking to the right audience. So you are frustrated trading the Forex market and you are almost at the point of quitting. In fact, you have started contemplating if Forex is for you. Then, my friend, get excited, because this trading today is for you. You have been hearing about Forex and the kind of money you could start making from it, but you don't know how to get started. Then get excited, my friend, because this training is for you. You have been trading Forex for a while now, but with little or no proven result, and you need to sharpen your skill and take your income to the next level. Then this training is for you. You are sick and tired of your current dead-end job or jobs, 2, 3 jobs at the same time, and you need to change your career or looking for an additional income stream. Then this training is for you. And lastly, you are making enough money right now, but you have no time for yourself or family members, and you need a solution. I mean, you need it right now. This training is for you. Just to know that I'm talking to the right audience and I'm talking to the right people. If you belong to any of this category, can you just do me a favor and type 1 on that chat window? Type 1 on that chat window. And if you are also watching us and you are connected on Facebook, do me a favor, type 1, because I want to be sure that I'm talking to the right audience. And if you don't belong to any of these, then there's no point of having this kind of training. But if you belong to any of that, do me a favor, type 1, type 1, type 1, type 1. Okay, awesome, 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 awesome. And I promise you, I will deliver value that will quantify for your time today. So let's continue. Once again, if you want to achieve success, all you need to do is find a way to model those who have already succeeded. That is all you need to do. That is all you need to do. So who am I and why must you listen to me? I know we started this training since Monday, but some of you, it's like, okay, who the heck is this guy? Once again, my name is Emmanuel Adegbola, popularly known as the Forex Apostle. They call me the Forex Apostle because I'm a minister of the gospel. I trade Forex market for a living. I mentor others to profit with the same market. I'm not a multi-millionaire trader. Some of you that know me, you know well. I don't drive fancy cars, but I drive comfortable ones, and I don't live in a penthouse, but I thank God for what God has blessed my family and I with. I live the .com lifestyle. Glory be to God, and thanks to the skills that you are about to acquire today, if you have not, or the skill that you are about to sharpen today. I always tell my students that there is no training that is a waste. Some of you, possibly you are one of my VIP students. I tell you sincerely, even though what we might be covering today, you have heard it before, but I promise you, you're going to be hearing it in a different way. So just make sure you stick right there, because I'm actually teaching from my heart to you. I put together these slides just to kind of help me, to guide me through the training. The president of Idiom Rich LLC, and of course, by now, if you have been following me, you know my story, so I won't bore you with my story, grass to grace story, but just know that I paid my due. I paid my due. I did not get to where I am today by just watching free videos up and down, just reading $12 ebook. No, I invested a lot. You know, so I got introduced to Forex 2006, invested hugely to get trained after I bought 6 accounts. And I always say this so that you will just know where I'm coming from. That is not, even though Forex is easy, but I tell you what, if it is that simple, everybody will be doing it. Okay, but you still don't need to complicate it, but you need to invest in yourself. There is, some of you is just a little tweak, just a little tweak. You know, I was chatting with one of my students yesterday who said, oh, he's been doing this for since 2008. So if somebody has been trading Forex since 2008, definitely that person knows the theory. That person knows is just maybe just little things, just one mindset, just an aspect of psychology of trading. That might be what that person needs. And that is what a mentor does. Okay, that is what a mentor does. You know, just if you go to a doctor now, doctor's office, I mean, we run a foster home. Sometimes I take the kids there, and we go to maybe any of these specialty visits, and sometimes the visit is just like a 15 minutes, 10 minutes. All they will just do is ask questions and just give you a tip that might help you. Okay, so please don't wait till you burn your first live account before you seek for help. Okay, so after I bought my 6 account, I got myself a coach. I discovered I needed help, and that was a decision that I never regret, and that's what brought me here today. Then just fast forward, came to US 2007. I started working as security officer. Man, I didn't like it. A friend called me, okay, let's go and do CNA. For some of you that you are from Nigeria, a CNA is a certified nurse aide, just people helping the nurses. It's another word for glorified maid, just to clean poop. I discovered I didn't like that either. So I quit. Okay, someone say, yeah, let's go and do the LVN. They make money. Then, of course, I went to a LVN crash program, 13 months. And graduated, and of course, over $30,000 a student loan. And okay, yeah, let's go do RN again. We signed off. And one day I saw someone that had a PhD in nursing, and then I was just LVN, you know. And this person wanted to be paying bills, because I mean, this was somebody. Some of you right now, there will be just that paradigm shift, okay, that epiphany, that moment, okay, and that is exactly why you are here today. And I saw this person had PhD in nursing, and I just had LVN, and this person wanted to pay a bill on phone, and she was talking to this customer's rep on phone and was just screaming, and you could see that frustration. And right there and there, something told me that, okay, if I continue with this route, this is what I will end up doing. And to be honest with you, people that I envy, people that I look up to, people that I really want to be like, they are in business world or in ministry. Not actually a nurse, not even a doctor, not even, you know. So and right there and there, I told myself, you know what, this can't just be me. Because if I continued in this route, trust me, that is where I will end also. And that was how I quit. Actually. And I just, you know, I got out of the 40-40-40 system. You know, take another 40,000 student loan to go to school, graduate, and work for 40 hours a day for another 40 years of my life. I got all of that. And of course, I never regret it. That is why we got here today. Today, I've founded so many companies. One of them is Idiom Rich LLC. All what we do is we seek for that hidden riches and we expose it to you. And I hope you make use of it. So this is where I'm presenting to you today. This is my home office. This is what I wake up to do. I mean, we are doing this right now in the morning. Many people are facing the traffic, going to work, and they complain and come back, complain, sleep, and wake up tomorrow morning, continue, complain, and do the same thing over and over. Well, you know, you don't need 5 computers like mine to get started. You can start with just any old school computer, actually. So let's go straight into why we are here today. 4 P's to making 4 figures daily with Forex trading. I know, as I said, everything we grow and learn today will be around these 4 P's. Some of you that have been following me for a while, possibly you know what these 4 P's is. But if you could master it, it is not about knowing it. You know, someone says knowledge is power. And I said, no, knowledge is not power. Who agree with that? Who agree? Who agree with me that knowledge is power? Let's just say, let's relax. Who agree that knowledge is power? I think we should even, I'd like to see you guys, you can type. Let me even see if I can promote some of you. I want to feel the energy this morning. Let me see if I can promote some of you. You can activate your video. But just be sure that you don't have a background noise, okay? So how many of you believe that knowledge is power? Let me see. Let's see. How many of you believe that knowledge is power? Okay. I can see Juliet, I agree with you. Teresa, yes, okay. Okay. Who is this? See, from this person actually is right. Knowledge is power when it is applied. Okay, knowledge is not power. It's the application of knowledge that is power. Okay, knowledge is not power. Yes, Bright Oguchuku. Knowledge is not power, but application of knowledge is power. When you apply the knowledge, many people have the knowledge of Forex, but do they apply what they know? Many people have the knowledge of, okay, risk management. You don't risk more than 2% of your account. You don't risk more than this. You don't do this. You don't do that. But do they really apply it? So it's not the knowledge, it's the application of knowledge. Many people know, okay, you need to lose weight. How many people lose weight? So it's not the knowledge. They have the knowledge, but application of knowledge is power. Okay, application of knowledge is power. So let's continue. So the first P today is going to be, you know, we are going to teach together. Okay, so we have 45 minutes, 1 hour to do this. So the first P is what? If you have been following me for a while, by now you know. So give me, what is that first P? Let's see. What is that first P? Come on now, where are my students? What is that first P? What is that first P? Come on, let's see. What is the first P? The first P. Paul say process, okay. Process, who again? Process, who again? Process, who again? Process, plan, okay. Shegun, plan. Shegun say process. Who says process? Who say Ambrose? Ambrose say plan. Okay, good. Ambrose, yes, you are right. Shegun, I will score you 60%. Yes, I will score you 60%. Idowu, I will score you 60%. But Ambrose, yes, you scored 99.9. You don't get 100. When I used to be a teacher, I don't score people 100%. Maybe you can get 99.9. Yes, the very first P, ladies and gentlemen, is plan. Okay, if you fail to plan, then you plan to fail. Okay, he who fail to plan definitely plan to fail. In Forex, it's all about planning. Before you place that trade, it's all about planning. It's all about planning, and I'm going to spend some time here right now It's all about planning. Before you place the trade, you sit down, you look at it. Okay, what kind of trader are you? Or you plan to be? We have different type of trader. You can be a trend trader. You can be a trend trader. You can be a trend trader. You can be a breakout trader. Okay, you can be a breakout trader. You can be a reversal trader. That is, there is a trend already, but you are waiting to trade the reversal. Okay, that's it. Oh, you can be a day trader. You can be a day trader. You can be a scalper. You can be a swing trader. So what kind of trader are you? It's part of your plan. It's part of your trading plan. So that today you don't trade, you don't trade, you do day trading today. Tomorrow you just, oh, okay, I'm going to scalp. Oh, next tomorrow I'm going to swing trade. Then you will not have your pattern. You will not have your pattern. So what kind of trader? What kind of trader are you? You must know. And let me just see. Let's just say, let's quickly take care of this. If you are already trading, you are a trader right now. You are a trader right now. I want you to type based on what you have studied about yourself. What kind of trader are you? What kind of trader are you? Type it right there. Let's see. What kind of trader are you? What kind of trader are you? Come on, let's see. I want to see if you guys know the kind of trader you are. Type it right there. What kind of trader are you? Let me see. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. If you are already a trader, if you are already trading, I want to see. Come on, guys. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Are you a scalper? Are you a day trader? Are you a trend trader? Do you see yourself as a swing trader? Or if you don't know, just type I don't know. Just type I don't know. Type I don't know. So, but I want to be sure that you guys are hearing me. Come on, guys, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Trader, day trader, Ambrose Scalper, trend scalper, okay, scalper, trend, day trader, intraday, trend trader. I want to be a day trader when I start trading, okay? Still grouping in the dark, okay? I don't know, I'm not trading yet. I don't know yet. Okay, good. Yes, it is good you know, but I hope also you know that if you, let's say, if you are a scalper, let's quickly differentiate between this. A scalper, maybe you're getting 5 pips, 3 pips, 8 pips when you place your trade, okay? Depends on the lot size that you are trading, okay? Yes, there's no style that is the best. There's no style that is the wrong one. Just depend on your personality and what is working for you. But just know that the more trade you place, the more you pay in spread. The more you pay, okay, for spread. Now, if somebody is a scalper, this person might be placing like 10 trades a day. 10 trades a day, man, that's a lot. And you enter a trade, and even though you win that trade, but if the spread, okay, around that time is very high, it could be consuming your profit. Then somebody enter just 1 trade a week. 1 trade a week. This person could capture as huge as 500 pips. While you are dealing with just that small pips, this person can capture a lot. So as I said, 2 of them has their own pros and cons, but because of our time, we will not be looking into all of that. But yes, it starts from you knowing what kind of a trader are you? What kind of a trader are you? So then, what is your capital? If you see Shegun making $3,000 a day, Shegun might have about 20,000, 30,000 in his account, but you you have just $100 in your account or $300 in your account, you cannot be expecting to make the same dollar amount as Shegun is making, or as John is making, or as Marvis is making. So are you going to be trading part-time or full-time? These are kind of planning that you have to have. You know, one of my students got a job, a very good job, and was contemplating whether to take the job or to face trading full-time. And I said, well, you know what? You need that money to still what? To still trade, but have a plan. Okay, I'm going to do this work for the next 2 years. I'm going to do this work for the next 3 years. I'm going to do this work for the next 6 months. Then if you are making, let's say, $10,000 from the job, you just have the mindset that you are working to fund your Forex account. So you are funding your Forex account. So by the time you are quitting the job, you already have enough capital in your accounts to trade with. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Am I talking to somebody? Am I talking to somebody? If that statement I just made now relates with you, or you can resonate with that, or you can relate with that, type one. So what you need to do, okay, yes, even though we always say, oh yeah, this, but you still need that job. You need that job. So as you are getting your paycheck, then you can devote, like, you know, I always teach 70. I learned this from Jim Rohn. 70, 10, 10, 10 formula. Okay, 10 is for God. You pay your tithe. 10 would be for yourself. You pay yourself. 10 is for general things and some other runs. This 70 is the seed. Bible says that God give the, you know, He give us the seed, and He give bread to the eater and seed to the sower. He give bread. Okay, when God blesses you, He give bread to the eater, and He gives seed to the sower. But what people do is that they eat both the bread and the seed. You are not supposed to eat them. So when you get your job, let's say, okay, your paycheck, I like using round figure, guys. Maybe your paycheck is $10,000, and you know, okay, I want to be a full-time Forex trader. So what you start doing is, okay, you just aggressively, you can be, you know, sending almost 6,000 to fund your Forex, and, you know, have a system in place. Then you are living with the 4K here, okay? And this one, possibly there's a way you start trading part-time with this to see the results you are getting. Then when the time now comes that you see that, okay, what you are making from that part-time trading is actually more than what you are making from your full-time job, then you can now begin to make that plan for transition, not just to quit. In fact, I have a book from Robert Kiyosaki that I have right somewhere right there. Before you quit your job, there are a lot of things that you consider, okay? Am I talking to somebody? 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 Type yes, you are talking to me. So, blood and flesh has not revealed this to you. You are talking direct. Okay, good, awesome. So let's continue. We have a lot to cover. So are you going to be trading part-time, full-time? Are you going to be withdrawing daily, weekly, monthly? You have to know, because if you are going to be trading and be withdrawing from that account every day, you are not going to allow that account to grow. Yes, you can plan based on the fund you have to make withdraw every month, but not every day. Not every day. That account will not grow. That account will not grow. I like to show this analogy. Let me quickly. I like to show this analogy. Let's see. I believe these are my students. You must have possibly you've seen this before. So let's say this. You guys can see my screen, right? You guys can see my screen. If you can see my screen, type one on that chat window. I want to be sure. We have a lot to cover, so, and I'm trying to also run with time. Okay, good. So let's say you start an account with $500 and you are trading and you are making 5% monthly profit on your account. If you let this account grow for like 12 months, this is how much you are going to have in your account after 1 year. Okay, you're going to be having $897, which is good. It's better than you keeping that money in bank account. Okay, so let's do with 1,000. So you have 1,000, you're making 5% return. Okay, 5% return, and I put that 5 because that is, if you are doing that, you are doing well. Seriously, you are doing well, because most people lose money in Forex. But if you are making 5%, you are doing good. That is about 60% in a year. You are doing good. Most people make less than 20% return in a year. Okay, I want us to be realistic. Okay, so when you have that 1,000 and you run this for 1 year, this is what you have. You'll be having about $1,797 in that account. So imagine you decide to run this for 10 years. Let's just fast forward. And you decide not to withdraw from that account that you start from $1,000, and you have consistent 5% monthly growth. At the end of 10 years, let's see how much you will have in that account. You will have about $348,000. So imagine if you just decide, okay, you are going to be adding also to that account. Maybe you are adding, and some of you have that money. Some of you could actually afford to start with 10,000. If you start with 10,000 and you are having profit of 5% monthly, and you let that account grow for 10 years, take a look at what you will have after 10 years. You will be having over $3.5 million in that account, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, but many people don't look at that. You just want to trade and make a withdrawal every day, That will not make that account to grow. Is this making sense to somebody? If that is making sense to you, type yes, 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 this is making sense. Type yes, this is making sense. Yes, 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 this is making sense. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So let's continue. Let's continue from where we stopped. Where is my slide? All right. So what kind of a trader are you? And of course, your risk management. Some of you that are my students, by now you know I'm very also heavy when it comes to risk management. What percentage are you risking? If you have accounts to be $1,000, you shouldn't be risking more than $20 of that account in any given trade. That is 2%. That is 2%. Okay, you don't want to be risking more than 2%. That you are an aggressive trader and you are a very high risk taker. You shouldn't be risking more than 5% based on your trading plan, based on your trading style. Remember, we are still talking about the plan. You see, all of this goes into your trading. All of this goes into your trading. All of this contributes for your success in Forex. Okay, which time frame are you comfortable trading? Which time frame? Let's see. I want to actually check back also. Which time frame? For some of you that you're already trading, which time frame do you like trading? Or are you comfortable with? Come on, go ahead, type on that chat window. I want to be sure that you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, I want to be sure that you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, Apple say 30 minutes. Okay, let's see which time frame, because your trading style, Olusegun say 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. Okay, who again? 1 hour. Okay, Samuel 1 hour. Okay, Ambrose 1 hour. Let's see again. Charles 4 hours. So you okay? Swing trading. Okay, 2 hours. Let me see. Okay, who again? Which I want to know which time frame, because your time frame determines the kind of trader you are. Okay, Omatayo 15 minutes. So that this trading. Peter 1 hour. Paul 5 Jimmy. So I see 2 people on 15 minutes. Okay, okay, awesome. So once you know your time frame, then you don't trade 15 minutes today, and tomorrow you want to trade 1 minute. Next tomorrow you want to trade 5 minutes. It won't work. So, and of course, you know, you have to get, my students by now, you know, the factor of 4 or 6. So if you are trading on 15 minutes, then your higher time frame that you are looking for your trend is 1 hour. If you are trading on 4 hours, then the trend that you'll be working with will be on daily chart, okay? And so on and so forth. If you are trading on 1 minute, then your trend might be on 5 minutes. So you look into all of that. This is part of your trading. This is part of your plan, guys. That is part of your plan. I mean, Forex is not tough, but people are not doing what they're supposed to do. Remember, application of knowledge is power. Okay, so let's continue. Let's continue. So which time frame? What is your personality? If you want to trade on 4 hours and you are not patient, I'm telling you sincerely, it's not going to work for you. I placed a trade. Maybe you could notice I'm looking at my side right there. I placed a trade. That trade has been on now for like almost 2 weeks. Many people will not allow that trade, and I'm hedging it. You know, I have one that is on short position, and I have some that is on long position. I'm waiting for the short one to get to my take profit. I take profit, then I'm expecting the bullish run after my take profit to resume. So that is planning. It's not gambling. You plan ahead. You plan for it. What is your personality? So now let's go to the second P. So what is the second P, guys? What is the second P? Let's see. Let's see. Second P, second P, second P, second P. Who is typing? What is the second P? What is the second P? Let's see. Process. Yeah, you see process, okay? Who again? Practice. Apples got that, right? Practice, practice, practice. Yes, the second P is what? Practice. This is where demo trading comes to play. Okay, the first P is your plan. Okay, the first P is your plan. Then the second P is practice. So in other words, you practice your plan. You practice your system. Your plan could be your system. Your plan could be your process. Okay, the plan could be the system you are using. It could be your process. So you practice it. There's no. You don't say, oh yeah, I know what I'm doing. No, you don't know what you are doing. You don't tell the system what to do. Let the market tells you what to do. So you practice your plan. Okay, you practice, and that is what we're demo trading. Some people, oh, okay, how long can I begin to make money? It's not how long or how soon, but how long can you stay making money? Okay, so you get a broker. Okay, after you get a broker, you download your MT4, you install the MT4, you set up your MT4, you download an easy system. By now, you know, I'm the founder of Tradermatic, so yes, I have something like this. Can you see? It is easy. You can even tell, okay, this one, yeah, I just buy, sell, and so on and so forth. It's easy. You set it up, demonstrate it, you start making money. I always say this. If you are not making money on demo accounts, don't expect to make money on live accounts. It's as simple as that. Oh, I will make money when I start live. It's a lie. You are going to burn out that account. And when you are demo trading, make sure you treat your demo account the way you will treat your live account. The way you will treat your live account. You can't trade this week. You trade one day. Next week, you don't trade at all. Next 2 weeks, you just remember, oh, I think I have this MT4. Then you trade again. Then if you are doing that, you are going to do the same thing to your live account. That is one of the reasons why so many employees don't succeed in business. Because the way you treated somebody else's business is how you are going to treat your own. So when you now start a business, the same way, the same mentality, the way you do one thing is how you do everything. Okay, so you demo trade, then you transit to live account. That is practice. Practice, practice, practice. Now, let me ask a question. Does practice really make perfect? Does practice really make perfect? Does practice really make perfect? Let me see. Does practice really make perfect? Because people always say, oh, practice makes perfect. Practice, let me see, say yes, okay. Does practice really make perfect? Yes, it is. Okay, Alicia will say yes. Okay, yes, it is. Okay, it sharpens your skills. Samuel says it sharpens. Okay, okay, it sharpens your skills. Yes, apples. Yes. Wow, all of you agree that practice makes perfect. Okay, I disagree. I disagree with you. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Practice does not really make perfect. Okay, there are some words that need to be reviewed. Practice makes improvement. Okay, practice makes improvement. You improve, because if you are perfect, it means you will never have a losing trade. It doesn't happen in Forex. You will lose a trade. You will lose some trade. But practice makes improvements. You improve on your skills. You sharpen your skills. Then you know what you are doing. Okay, you know what you are doing. So practice, practice, practice. And I'm telling you sincerely, when you are live trading and it looks as if you are now losing some trades, all you need to do is pause that live account, go back to your demo again, and do back testing. Look at your system, look at what you are doing. If you have to discuss it with your mentor, and look at where you are making mistakes, then that is how you perfect. Am I talking to somebody? Is this making sense to you at all? Is this making sense to you at all? Or you feel we are just wasting our time? Is this making sense to you at all? Let me see. Is this making sense to you at all? Yes. Okay. 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 Awesome. 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 So let's continue. The third P. So who can tell us the third P? The third P. The third P. I'm getting ready now to close the trade right here. I'm getting ready to close the trade right there. I'm seeing $8,500 profit, piling up right there. So the third P. The third P. What is the third P? Let's see. What is the third P? The third P, patience. Ambrose got that. Ambrose got that right. Yes, it's patience, guys. Okay? You patiently, okay, let's put it this way. You patiently, okay, you patiently practice your plan. 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 I will yell it till you guys get it. You patiently practice your plan. You patiently practice your plan. When you do that, it will become part of you. It will become part of you. You patiently practice your plan. Forex trading is a patience game. It's a waiting game. You wait for that perfect entry setup. You wait and let the trade run to term. I put that and I just smile. Yes, you let it run to term. Can you imagine somebody is pregnant and want the baby out within 5 months or 4 months? That baby will be mature. So I will be premature. So many people caught, it happens to me also. So I'm not declaring myself as the saint here. There are some trades that we're supposed to allow to run, to get most of the market. But sometimes because of our impatience, we just cut it off early. Okay, so you wait and let the trade run to term. And that takes us to the last P. That takes us to the last P. That takes us to the last P. So what is the last P? What is the last P? Our time is fast spent. What's the last P? What is the last P? Come on, I'm waiting. What is the last P? Profit. Yes, that is profit. That is profit. Okay, but many people are interested in this last P. Okay, they don't want to deal with the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. We said the first one is what? Is plan. The second one is practice. The third one is patience. And the fourth one is profit. Most people are interested in this. So it's like, okay, come on, let's do it. Where's the download? Where's this? Where's that? No, the reason why we change the format of our members area is because of what people do. It's because of what people do. Once they sign up, the first thing is, I want to download the software. Set it up. No. There are a lot of things, the psychology, the technical know-how, all those things contribute to your profit. Okay? So before this profit, make sure you have a plan in place. Practice your plan patiently, and the profit will come. Is somebody getting this? Is somebody getting this? Is somebody getting? I wish I have a better way of explaining this to you. There is no secret one somewhere. You can make 1,000, you can make 5,000, you can make 10,000, you can make 20,000 a day. Depends on what? Depends on you, your ability to follow these simple 4 P's. Okay? You can make any amount you want to make in a day. You can make it. But once you follow this, I'm telling you, like this trade that I'm looking at right now, if I close this trade, I'm going to be closing it 8,750. But my take profit that I'm expecting actually is 11,000 with the trade. Do you know their same trade went to minus $24,000? Minus $24,000. But I did not close it because I know my plan and I decided not to close it against my plan. Okay, I have another one right now that I'm looking at is $285. That trade went it went to negative, minus 300. But because I know what I'm risking and I know what I'm targeting, but many people will freak out the moment they see that. Okay, so the 4th P is what? Your profit. That is free. You start small, think big, but you need to what? Act now. How many of you is ready to act right now? You are ready to start wherever you are. You are ready to start with that small thing you have, that small amount you have. But think big, okay? Think big, but act now. Once again, if you want to achieve success, all you need to do is find a way to model those who have already succeeded. That is Tony Robbins. All right. If you are not one of our VIP students, introducing to you the Forex Apostle 6-month coaching and mentoring program in Forex, stocks, and cryptos trading and investing. Okay, that is what we do. You can see that is what I'm passionate about, apart from family and ministry. Apart from my family, apart from the ministry, I am passionate about investing. I'm passionate about, empowering people. I'm passionate about mentorship. Okay, so what do you get when you join us today? You get Forex education and training, cryptos education and training, stocks education and training. You get cryptocurrency trading software, Forex trading softwares, Forex journal for traders. And by the way, I hope some of you know that our softwares, the VIP versions, work for even stocks. You can use it to trade stocks. Okay, cutting-edge trading robot, discount access to one-on-one master coaching and mentoring, Forex business building strategies, investment guide and training, live weekly trading webinars, first-class global support desk, and generous commissions, all our products on all our products and services. We connect with you remotely to help you with your setup. I never enjoyed that from anybody. Okay, connecting remotely. When we started doing this, even before COVID, so we didn't start that because of COVID. We will connect with you remotely and help you out with your setup. So new members orientation and webinar. There are a lot of things that you enjoy when you become a member. I'm not going to be going over all of this because of our time. But how does the training go? Once you sign up, you will get access to the members area whereby you can learn at your pace. Just imagine what we did together in 45 minutes, 1 hour. But now imagine what you will have access to. Then we meet once a week for Q&A, question and answer sessions. You bring your questions, we answer it, other people benefit from your questions, and then we move on together. And we do this to prevent information overload. What we used to do before, once you sign up, you get access to everything. No. So this time around, you get one module each week, and each module comes with assignment, task, and homework that you need to do. So how is it going to work? I just explained that to you. So does that mean that you will have to wait till 6 months before you start making money in Forex? No. The answer is no. In fact, some of you could start trading after 2 weeks. Depends on the previous skills that you have or how fast you can grasp information. Now, let me ask you, how long will it take you, or how much will it cost you to become a medical doctor, IT professional, or an engineer? If you look at Forex trading as a career or a business and not just one of those side hustles, then you will agree with me that investing $50,000 on this type of trading today will worth it. Okay, I'm talking about ability to be able to make 4 figures a day. This 3,000, this 4,000, this 900, this 4,000, over 100,000 in a month. If you are there, you must have known that we are not just doing the talking, we also do the work.
Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel Olaniro, and I am here to testify to Pastor Emmanuel Adegbola's FX training and coaching program. Pastor Adegbola is authentic. I was introduced to FX. Well, I've kind of always wanted to know FX trading, and I've ventured into it a couple of years back, but I didn't make anything out of it until I came into contact with Pastor Adegbola. I joined his training program sometime last year, late last year, October last year. But I can assure you that he's authentic, he teaches with a passion, he knows what he's doing. And if you follow his principles, his teachings, you will also make money. You will do well in FX trading and FX trading. So, and I recommend it for anybody. I'm also promoting him by the grace of God. I'm also a pastor, and I also introduced a couple of our church members to undergo this training. You cannot regret it. He is authentic, and I support what he's doing. Thank you.
So hi there, my name is. Time we just go.
Hello.
On. So how many of you right now? How many of you are ready to start making this type of life-changing income starting today? So I guess your question is, so how much is this training? How much are we talking about? But before I tell you my birthday special training fee for you, let me tell you about the bonus that you will get, because even life itself has a way of compensating us if we act fast. You get lifetime discount access to all our courses, software systems that will ever be created. That is why you get access to the VIP versions of all my systems. You get 1 year free access to Elite FX signals. Now, some of you ask, okay, when are you going to be added to the signal services? Once you join, once you are added to the Forex Apostle mentoring group on WhatsApp, so any signal that we generate, you also receive it right there. But remember that every day is not Christmas. Every day is not trading days. There are a lot of times also that possibly we might not get signals. We try. It's not how many signals we get, but the productive ones. That is what is most important, right? So lifetime access to our student alone private Facebook and WhatsApp group, backdoor access to the VIP versions of my softwares, and of course, when you look at the total value of what we are getting today, ladies and gentlemen, the value is what? Priceless. Is priceless. Is total priceless.
My name is Stephen Akintayo, Africa's most sought after personal finance coach, and I'm here with my brother, Mr. Emmanuel Adegbola, and I want to encourage as many people to join his cryptocurrency trading coaching program. I personally have sent so many students to him. I've seen testimonies, and I can assure you it's one of the best decisions you can ever make if you want your finances to move to the next level. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Dr. Akintayo. So John Assaraf says, success might happen slow, it might happen fast, but at the end of the day, it is the people who take action that are rewarded. And I think that makes sense. That makes sense. Tony Robbins put it in another way. He says the path to success is to take massive, determined action. Yes, I appreciate you that you show up on this training. Yes, I appreciate that you are here, but I promise you what you have just gotten today is not enough to deliver to you that dream that you want in Forex. But mentorship, and there's a reason why all successful professionals in every department of life, okay, are a mentor. So, and that is what I'm offering you today. So investing $10,000 for this kind of training, I believe it's worth it. But we're not going to charge you that, not even 5,000, not even 2,000. So today, just consider this as my birthday gift to you. Just consider this as my way of saying thank you for being there. So for you to join the Forex Apostle Coaching and Mentoring Program today, all you have to pay is $500. $500 only. And remember, this offer is only valid for today, this week, and that is it. You don't come back to me next week and say, oh, I was on the training last week, now I want to sign up. You're going to be paying the normal fee, which is on our website. So, but today, if you want to join us, you are welcome to pay your $500. You can pay through any of this medium. You can pay online at the forexapostlementoring.com, or you can do a bank transfer. You can pay through Cash App, $Emmanuel Adigbola. You can pay through Zelle, Idiom Rich LLC10@gmail.com. You can pay through our PayPal, easyforexinstitute@gmail.com. You can pay with Bitcoin. All you have to do is chat with me. I will give you a Bitcoin wallet address. And if you are from Nigeria, you can also make direct payment to our GTB account. The account number is 00288142220. So once again, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for being there. We did well today, just 3 minutes over our time, but it's all right. It's all good. So thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can leave it, drop your question on the chat window. I will hang around for 1-2 minutes to answer any question. And if you want to chat with me, that is my contact information, +1 214 440 6099. And of course, you can also connect with me on Facebook using this social media. And God bless you. I really appreciate you once again. You want to make your payment, use any of these. And if you have any question, please go ahead and type in your question. Let's see, sir, you just hit me now. I concentrate on the last P, profit. Okay, good, Samuel. Good, awesome. So if you have signed up, you have made your purchase, and you are ready to roll, the moment you make your payment, send me proof of income on WhatsApp, and we will take it from there. Thank you so much, guys. And tomorrow we're going to be rounding off this training. Tomorrow we'll be doing something different from Forex, but you still want to show up, especially for some of you in US and Canada. You don't want to miss tomorrow's training. Even if you are abroad, Nigeria, you want to show up, because I'm going to be training specifically on how to create residual income, lifetime residual income for yourself. And you don't want to miss it. So tomorrow I'll see you the same time, 7 a.m. Central Time, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1 p.m. London time,